Guys, click on this subscribe button and also tap on this bell button. Then you will notify our new video.
Activate Windows. Don't worry. Use Microsoft Toolkit. Firstly, download the Microsoft Toolkit, then extract the Microsoft Toolkit. Open the Microsoft Toolkit. Click the Windows icon and go to the product key. Select the Windows 10, then select the edition and then click install. Then click activate. Product activation successful. Here is now Windows 10 is activated. You can also activate the Windows 8, 7, 8.1 and also activate the Office 2010, 2013, 2016. Thank you for watching.